You're sweet, you are sweet. Baba Kaba.
Don't be afraid. Say, will not beat you. What do you fear? Oh, you're so courageous. And this one. Yeah, clap for her. Yeah, good. That's good. And you? What do you fear? What? Yes, that is show responsibility. Clap for her. Even you can fear your mom, you can fear your dad because that is show the responsibility. If you mock your mom, if you mock your dad, that is not that show that you are dishonest. Praise God. That you are disobedient.
Even the biggest giant.
So you must obey them. What do you fear?
The big giant. David was a small boy, but he was able to kill Goliath.
Cow, that's good. Clap for him. Yes. The next one, what do you fear?
And God gave him the strength.
Yes, that is so good. Yes. Even you, what do you fear?
To have faith in him, so that he will give you the power to do big things, like killing Goliath.
Yes, let us continue. Everyone, everyone has already suggested that they fear this and